10 best spring break drinks. Cocktails to try at home. Everyone knows that spring break is the time for some drinks, and you're probably thinking about what hot new drink to try. With all these options, it's tough to pick one that will be best for you. So we will show you some top 10 spring break drinks that are perfect for when you're feeling like hanging out on your couch all day. There's no reason why we can't have a delicious drink in our hands while we kick back and relax at home. 1. Pim's Cup. The perfect afternoon tea drink. Gardeners can enjoy this British classic across the world for its tangy, citrus flavors. It also has a low alcohol content that will keep you steady and avoid any unnecessary drunkenness. 2. Spring Strawberry Sangria. It's no coincidence that the perfect drink is made with strawberries and oranges in season during spring. With its refreshing taste, you can feel all refreshed too. 3. Grilled Peach and Pineapple Sangria. The possibilities for sangria are endless with Sauvignon Blanc or white wine, lemonade, orange liqueur, sugar, cinnamon, and some peaches. The best part is that there's something for everyone, whether they're looking to get crazy on the dance floor or just sip happily while watching their favorite show at home. 4. Blackberry Beer Cocktail. The blackberry beer cocktail is a simple and creative drink. You can mix your liqueur or cut the alcohol with water to make it virgin for those who prefer less kick in their taste buds. 5. Sweet Tea Boysenberry Shandy. The sweet-tasting boysenberry is a perfect drink for spring. It has the sweetness from sugar and boysenberry syrup, with just enough tartness from lime juice to make it refreshing on your palate. 6. Guava Coconut Rum Cocktail. Although you can make the guava coconut rum cocktail virgin, you just need to increase the amount of coconut water and nectar for every 3 ounces. This drink is usually prepared with alcohol, so make sure that your tiki mug has some proof in it before adding these ingredients. 7. Boozy Cherry Lemonade. Boozy Cherry Lemonade is the perfect drink to enjoy during springtime. It only takes 5 minutes from start to finish. All you need are some cherries, lemons, and sugar for this refreshing beverage that's guaranteed to make your day better in a jiffy. Get cracking on making up one of these tasty beverages. 8. Bloody Maria. A great way to end spring break is with a fun drink. One of these refreshing cocktails is the Bloody Maria. It's typically made from vodka, tomato juice, and sometimes dialed up with some Worcestershire sauce. 9. Sparkling Peach Bellinis. This sparkling peach drink will be the perfect way to enjoy a lovely brunch this spring. The subtle flavor of peach is refreshing and goes well with Eggs Benedict or any other dish you can think about having on that special day. 10. Strawberry Basil Cocktail. The best ice-cold drinks don't get much more refreshing than the strawberry basil vodka. It has a light, sweet taste that will have you shivering in delight on your next hot day. The fresh strawberries are mixed with herbaceous basil and crisp 7-Up for just enough bite to make everything even better without being too overpowering or artificial tasting, so it's perfect all year round. The best spring break drinks are a reflection of the type of person you want to be. As there are so many options, it only makes sense that we offer everything from vodka and mixed drink recipes down to kid-friendly versions. How do you like this video? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more cocktail ideas and recipes.